Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning classes. Now all of you open your EVS workbook, page number 56, chapter sharing our feelings. Okay, we have already completed the textbook and next sharing our feelings. First summary. Number 1, we should share our feelings with other people. Number 2, people who are physically challenged are called differently abled. Number 3, we should take care of senior citizens and differently abled persons and try to keep them happy. Next, number 4, Braille script is a special way of reading and writing used by people who are unable to see. And Braille script was founded by Louis Braille, who belonged to France, and he also known as the father of Braille. In Braille script, row of raised dots are made on a thick paper, and this script is based on 6 points. It is understood by touching and feeling the raised dots on the paper through fingers. And now Braille can also written using computer. Okay, so next answer the following question. See the board. Number 1, with whom do you share your feelings? Answer is, we share our feelings with my parents. We share our feelings with my parents. Next, number 2, why do blind people need a white stick when they go out? Answer is, the blind people carry white stick at the time they go outside, as because they can sense with that stick. Number 3, can we use computer to write Braille script? Can we use computer to write Braille script? Braille users can read computer screens and other electronic supports using refreshable Braille displays. Okay. Next, number 4. Number 4 question. Why should we take care of old and differently abled persons? Why should we take care of old and differently abled persons? Answer is, the daily lifestyle of a physically challenged person is very difficult. Sometimes very easy tasks are almost impossible for them. That's why we should take care of them in order to make a comfortable life. Okay, so I repeat again that why should we take care of old and differently abled persons? The daily lifestyle of a physically challenged person is very difficult. Sometimes very easy tasks are almost impossible for them. That's why we should take care of them in order to make a comfortable life. Next, number 5. What kind of problems do senior citizens have? Heart diseases, diabetes, backbone pain, and low eyesights. Okay. Next, number 2, write true. Number 2, true and false. Okay, true, false. Number 1, we do not want to share our feelings with anyone. Answer is false. Okay. Next, number 2, we should be thoughtful. Thoughtful towards blind people. That is true. Next, number 3, Braille, BRAILLE, is a special, SPECIAL, special way of reading and writing for people who cannot hear. That is false. Next, number 4, next, number 4, in Braille, BRAILLE, script, 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 a row of raised, RAISED, raised dots are made on a thick paper. Okay, that is true. And last one, number 5, Louis Braille, BRAILLE, is known as the father of Braille script. BRAILLE That is true. Okay. So number 1, we do not want to share our feelings with anyone. False. Number 2, we should be thoughtful towards blind people. True. Braille is a special way of reading and writing for people who cannot hear. False. In Braille script, a row of raised dots are made on a thick paper. True. And last one, number 5, Louis Braille is known as the father of Braille script. That is true. Okay. Thank you.